Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all, man. I check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're about to count out $10,000. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, I'm making another video for visualization purposes only, but today we got 10 bands on us, $10,000. About to count this out, just a little over 10,000. So we're gonna put that to the side. But we got $10,000 right here, and we about to count this out for y'all. So make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. You already know how we do it on Yon World. Now, this video is really for visualization purposes. I want people to know that stuff like this is tangible. Like, you can get $10,000. You can have it. And right now we have $80, $100 bills, right? We got $80, $100 bills. That's 8,000 in hundreds right here. And then we got 100. We got 120s right here. This is, you know what I'm saying, $2,000, 120s. So 80 hundreds, and we got 120s. So we're about to count this all out for y'all, just so y'all can see and visualize and understand, man. Everything is energy. Even when you watch this video, through the sound, the vibration, the frequency of this video, energy is being transmitted to you, and you're gonna feel a certain way watching this video. So yeah, we got it all out. This is how it looks. Spread it out. I'm gonna spread out 10 bands just so y'all can see up close. We got the blue Rex, some old heads in there too, but he marked, so he good. Yeah, all right, let's count this out. Now first, we're gonna count out these 20s. We're gonna get these 20s out the way. We're gonna get all these 20s out the way. We're gonna get all these 20s out the way. How I like to do it, I like to count, we're gonna just count 25s. 25 20s is $500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, right here, this $500. It's $500 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's 500 right here. Another 500. That's $1,000. This stack of 20s right here is $1,000. All right, we're gonna put that to the side. 1, 2, 3. Let me make sure I get this in the focus in the camera. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 500. $500 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Right? 50 20s make 1,000. 100 20s make 2,000. So right here, live on camera, we got 120s. Just so y'all can get a close up on that. 120s. All right. Next, we got the big faces. You know, when you go to the bank, they say you want the big bills. That's what they talking about. You know, when you get the big bills. I like hundreds. because you can have a lot of money and you don't even have to have you know, a lot of bills on you. Like this is only $2,000, right? This is 120s, but it's only $2,000. If we had 100 hundreds, that would be $10,000. You know, the same weight, you know, the same weight, but you know, more in value. So yeah, y'all see, we got the blue face hunters. They got the holographic bells on there. Y'all see that? So this right here is $100 bills. This is $100 bills. Just so y'all can get a good look at that, man. Remember, if you can see it inside, you can have it. If you can see it in your mind's eye, you can touch it in real life. So all you gotta do is visualize, man, and take action. And move your business to the internet. I'm telling you, if y'all didn't learn anything during this time, the internet is recession proof. Just throwing that out there. So learn about that internet money. So yeah, all right, we're about to count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's the thing about these hunters, they get sticky, man. These new hunters get real sticky. This 13 right here, this is 1300. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Right here, this is $5,000. This is what $5,000 looks like. Just so y'all can get a close-up. $100 bills. Remember, these hundreds get a little sticky, so when you counting hundreds, make sure you know what I'm saying, make sure you gotta, get the ink on your thumbs when you gotta make sure, because you can mess around and give somebody $200 when you was just trying to give them $100. So this $5,000 right here. $5,000. Another close up. So right here, we should have 30 more $100 bills. This should be 30 $100 bills right here. Let's count this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. $10,000 right here. Let's gather all our money back up. It's $3,000 right here. $3,000. We got $5,000 right here. $5,000. It's $8,000 right here. All together, this is how $8,000 look. 20 more hundreds, it'll be 10 bands. $8,000 right here. Then we add 100 20s. When you add 100 more 20s, you get 10 bands. And that's how that look all together. Wavy. Yeah. So we got 10 bands right here. Let me know what y'all want to see next. We could do 15, 20. Let's go. Remember, everything is energy, man. You can see it in your mind's eye. You can have it on the outside, man. Remember that. This is nothing. Somebody just made this in one transaction. Somebody made this yesterday and today. This amount of money is tangible. Everybody has access to this amount of money. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.